Breaking, Supreme Court rules Islam banned in public schools, new Trump admin appointee Gorsuc. When then-Republican candidate Donald Trump spoke across the nation at countless rallies of how important it was for a Republican to win the presidential nomination, so that a conservative Supreme Court justice could be nominated to preserve the court's balance of power, little did the left realize just how important that one single issue was for traditional conservatives. And regardless of what the left threw in their attempt to denigrate the Trump candidacy, conservatives realized that our republic was at stake, and whatever differences we had with one another without a balanced Supreme Court, that values our Constitution as written by our founding fathers, America would be doomed. Moreover, just how close we came was apparent in the recent Supreme Court decision handed down just recently when for the first time the full panel of 9 justices came together to decide on the fate of Islam being taught within our public school system. The drama being played out behind closed doors and away from the public was no doubt a reaffirmation of America's principles as defined within our founding documents, that radical and dangerous doctrines such as Sharia law or any ideology that contradicts basic human rights, will not be a part of America's curriculum within our public schools. The 5-4 ruling illustrated just how important the election of President Trump was and his pick of Judge Neil Gorsuch to the Supreme Court. Judge Gorsuch wrote, "The government certainly has no business being involved in religion, but this isn't a government issue or a religious issue. This is about the judicial branch interpreting the laws as they apply to the teaching of religion. We should be teaching any religions in this country besides standard Judeo-Christianity, as our founders wanted, and we certainly shouldn't be filling the children with lies about Islam being a religion of peace when they see the carnage on the news almost every day." Ironically, Supreme Court Justice Gorsuch cast the tie-breaking vote that decided the only part of Islamic history is the true historical account of radical Islam and the true teachings of Sharia law upon a civil society.